Hi, we are doing logarithm solve for x. Log 81 by log 27 is equal to x. Now what we will do, we will factorize 81. So we can factorize it with 3. So 3 twos are 6 and 7, 3, 9, 3, 3, 1. Same way we will factorize 27. So 27 we have already seen on the top. You can take from there also, right? So log 81 will be written as 81 ko you can write it as 3 raised to the power 4, and 27 you can write as 3 raised to the power 3. Now what we know here, we know that any log a raised to the power n is n log a. N comes in front of log. So this log 3 raised to the power 4 can be written as 4 log 3, and log 3 raised to the power 3 will be written as 3 log 3 is equal to x. Log 3 and log 3 can get cancelled because they will have the same value. So 4 by 3 is equal to x. So we got the value of x as 4 by 3. Now we will see the second one, that is log 128 by log 32 is equal to x. Same way we will factorize 128. 128 can be factorized with 2. So this will become 64 and 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, and this comes. So log 128 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 raised to the power 7. So log 128 is 2 raised to the power 7, and 32 is, from here you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 raised to the power 5. Same way, any log has a power, say n. Let's see, log a has a power of n, then n comes in front of log a. So this is how we will convert log 2 raised to the power 7. So this will be 7 log 2 by 5 log 2 is equal to x. Log 2 will have same value. You can cancel it. So x will become 7 by 5. Now we'll see the other one, that is log 64 upon log 8 is equal to log x, right? Same way, log 64 can, 64 is square of 8. So no need to factorize. You can simply write log 8 raised to the power 2 by log 8 is equal to log x. Here what you can do, you can even put it in factor of 2. 64 can be written as a factor of 2, but we all know that 8 into 8 is 64. So I have straight away written it as 8 raised to the power 2. So this will become 2 log 8. 8 comes in front. We know this rule. By log 8 is equal to log x. Log 8 and log 8 cancel. So 2 is equal to log x. Now what you can do here, we know that if there is no base, the base is 10, right? Now changing this as this in exponential form. I'll just show you how to change a log in exponential form. If it is log b to the base a is equal to y, it becomes a raised to the power y is equal to b. This is how we change the log into exponential form. The base remains the same, and the log, this is called log is changed with the answer. So it becomes a raised to the power y is equal to b. So this will become 10 raised to the power 2 is equal to x. So what is the value of x? It's 100. Fine. Now we'll see the other one. Log 225 by log 15 is equal to log x. Again, no need to factorize it. We know 2 to 5 is 15 into 15 is 2 to 5. So this can be written as 15 square by log 15 is equal to log x. We know log a raised to the power n is n log a. Fine, the power comes in front of log. So this can be written, log 15 square can be written as 2 log 15 by log 15 is equal to log x. Log 15 cancel, right? Now 2 is equal to log x. There is no base, that means the base is 10. Any log, suppose this is the log a to the base b is equal to y, and I have to change it into exponential form. What we do, we write b, the base as b raised to the power y and is equal to a. So this will become 10 raised to the power 2 is equal to x, right? 10 raised to the power 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to 100. Now here I'll show you the other way also, second method. Second method for this can also be 2 is equal to log x. So log 2 is log 100 is also 2. So instead of 2 you can write log 100 is equal to log x. So x is equal to 100. Fine. And now why 2 is equal to log 100, that I'll show you. Log 100, no base is there, that means it's 10. So this can even be written as 10 square by 10, and 2 comes in front of the log. Fine. This is the rule that any log has a power of any number, that number comes in front of the log. So log 10 raised to the power 2 can be written as 2 log 10 to the base 10, and we know any log having the same base means the log is also the same number and base is also the same number, the value is 1. So this become 2 into 1, that is 2. Either of the way you can do, you can directly write it as 2 ko log 100, or you can change it in exponential form as I have done in the first case. That depends on you. And why this is 2, that also I explained to you.